Stop the speed.
All right, bet.
Some niggas was trolling.
All right, bet. All right, bet. Let me check my phone. All right, bet. 20 minutes, I'm gonna play with Flight. Chat, should I DM him on Twitter or IG? DM him on IG? All right. I think I follow him. Yeah, I do. He texted me before last year. February 5th, 2022. That's crazy. Come on, Fritz! Oh my God! Who the fuck is this, bruh? He wanna fuck some shit, man. God damn, bruh. Speed, I have cancer, bro. You do not have cancer, bro. Don't troll about cancer, bro. Don't troll, bro. Like, damn, chat. 1v1 me real quick. Play with Flight. I'm going to play with Flight. Did you not hear what I just said, bro? I text him. He just gotta text me back, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I'm about to open up these. I don't care anymore. He didn't text me back. Come on, can we get some good shit? Van Dijk! Kevin De Bruyne! Let's go! Let's go! Hey, man! Say, man! Come on, bro! Come on! We do this! We do this! E você pode ter uma porcenta sim! Sim! Fred! Mbappe! Mbappe! Please! Why does this game keep fucking doing that, bro? Why does this fucking game keep doing that, bro? Every time I'm thinking I'm about to pull and bot me, some black girl comes out of nowhere, start doing fucking kick-ups and shit, bro. Like, come on, dog. This shit is annoying. Bruno Fernandes. Bruno Fernandes! Bruno! The Portuguese brothers! Yes! The Portuguese brothers! Yes! 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 The Portuguese brothers! Eu falo português! Flight texting you back? He did. He said hop on Fort right now. Yo, chat, do we get on Fort right now or do we keep open up his PSC? He's on PS. Yo, what's up? Damn! I ain't gonna lie, these packs are fucking juicy! Get on Fort! Yo, chat, tell him I get on. Send me your epic, bro. Oh, okay, hold on, wait, let me add his epic. Hold on, wait, y'all, let me add his epic. Right now, hold on, no, hold on. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, these packs good. I might put some good shit. Fuck, I ain't gonna lie. Hold on, wait. Hold on, wait, Chad. Tell him I'm about to send him a middleman epic. Add him. Let me tell my middleman to get on real quick. Hold on.
Hey, hold on.
Yo, get on 4 real quick. Flight about to add you. Flight. Sandra's Panos. Sandra's Panos. Okay. Now I ain't gonna lie. We should do a 2v2 wager. Who else is on for it? Who else is on for it? Mangara. Who else is on for it? We should do like a 2v2 wager. That'll be funny. Chat, is Fight even good at FIFA, bro? Is he even good? Germany. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, y'all. These packs are good, but like I'll keep pulling the same fucking packs, like neuter, bro. Like, give me some other shit. Can I get a girl from fucking Uganda or some shit? Like the 2 Germans, bro. Like, this is insane. But I'm not complaining, though, y'all. I'm not complaining. I'm not going to complain. Go to the back of the pack? What do you mean, go to the back of the pack? What are you talking about? Say my name, Kayla. What's good, Kayla? Hey, bet. All right. Ho, ho. Ho, ho. Rui! Barney! Barney and Rui Costa! What the fuck? What the fuck? Barney! What the hell? Holy shit! What a pack! Rui and fucking Barney! What a fucking pack, bruh! Brazil! Anderson. Who else? That's it? Can you say hi, bro? I'm not quick selling nobody, chat. I'm not quick selling them, y'all. They're going into my team. I'm not quick selling them. They're like going into my team slot. Switzerland. Goalkeeper. BVB Bumblebee. Kobe fucking Bryant. This shit gotta be kidding me, dog. Morgan. Chat, I got a question, y'all. This might seem like a crazy question, bro. Nah, chat, on some real shit, this might seem like a crazy ass question. But guys, never mind. What's it? Oh my god. No, a goalkeeper icon? What? Allison and who else? That's it? Allison? Who the fuck is Brammer? Man. Nah, chat, I just gotta switch up and stand up open packs. You right, chat? Let me stand up. You right? Let me stand up. You right? Let me stand up. Hagerberg. What the fuck is a Hagerberg, bruh? Yo, Holland got so many sisters and cousins, bro. Holland got like 50 cousins, bro. Like, I met about 50, bro. Holland got so many sisters. Like, chat, Holland got so many Hagerberger. This shit gotta be insane, bro. Hagerberg. What the hell, chat? Hagerberg, y'all. Just press R2. What's this? Bronze. I just pulled somebody named fucking Bronze, bruh. Fucking Bronze, bruh. I'm about to genuinely get mad, bro. I'm about to really get fucking mad, chat. On God, I'm about to get fucking mad, y'all. Chat, tell me to calm down, y'all. Tell me to calm down. Tell me to calm down, y'all. Tell me to calm down. Tell me to calm down, bro. Tell me to calm down. Tell me to calm down. A threesome! Oh my God! I keep pulling hamburger! Why do I keep pulling hamburger? Ew! Fuck, bruh! Portugal. Ruben Diaz. Benjamin! 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 Let's fucking go! Let's fucking go! Let's fucking go! Benjamin fucking man, bruh! Let's fucking go, bruh! Benjamin fucking Franklin, bruh! Let's fucking go, dog! Let's fucking go, bruh! Let's fucking go, bruh! Turn me up!
Hello guys, my name is Harry Kane. I love you guys so much. Appreciate all my fans. I'm here in Bayern now. I love telling them so much. It's been a good time already. I love you guys so much. Appreciate the support and the fans. Goodbye.
Harry fucking Kane! Let's go! Damn, we pulling! Damn, we pulling! Everybody spam we pulling in the chat! Everybody spam we pulling in the chat! Prince. My dad! I pulled my dad! Bruh, is he singing I Show Me? The fuck? That's some bullshit, bro. What the fuck just happened? That's some bullshit. You sold Ronaldo, bro? I did not sell Ronaldo. What are you talking about? Nobody sold Ronaldo, bro. You, what? I sold Ronaldo? What the fuck are y'all talking about? I did not sell Ronaldo, bro. What? Chat, what? That us? Y'all trolling. Clip it and check. Clip it. Y'all trolling. Clip it and show me. I did not sell Ronaldo. Clip it and show me. Clip it and show me. I want to see that. Because I know y'all trolling, bro. Y'all trolling me. I did not pull Ronaldo. Y'all fucking trolling, bro. Stop trolling me. Stop trolling me, bro. Robert Lewandowski. Robert Lewandowski. Pager. Man. I like Chuck. I can't, bro. I deadass can't, bro. Honestly. I deadass fucking can't, bro. Check replay. I did not sell. Wait, let me check clips, bro. Chat, like, look, bro. It's like, it's not even in clips, bro. I did not quick sell Ronaldo. Shut up. I did not quick sell him, bro. Damn. Shut up. Portugal. It's the same fucking people, man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I did not sell him, bro. Shut up, bro. Spain. See him. Barcelona. Sergio Ramos. Donovan. Check clips. Fucking go! Bencher fucking man, bruh! Let's fucking go, bruh! Benjamin fucking Franklin, bruh! What? I don't see it. Where's Ronaldo at? He's right there. He's right. Benjamin fucking Franklin, bruh!
They're just not him. Every pack I open, it's not Ronaldo. It's not him. Why am I? It's not. Am I a fake Ronaldo fan? Do I truly love Ronaldo? Am I a traitor? Do I really love Ronaldo? Do you really? Is this my life? Is this how it is? I see how it is now, y'all. I see how it is now, y'all. Wow. Bro, so messy like a Ronaldo fan. I mean, damn, bro. I'm not even a Messi fan, bro. That's... Hold on. Who the fuck is Olympia Ladies? I can't... Hamburger ham. I keep pulling you. Do you want to fuck me, young lady? Does this, yo chat, does this young girl want me, y'all? She keeps pulling, you two, you keep popping, Steve Kerr, god damn it, Steve fucking Kerr. Steve Kerr and goddamn Hamburger keep popping up in my packs. Do they want a threesome or not? This is some shit. Damn! Speed, I want it? The fuck you mean I want it? What do you want? I want it. The fuck do you want, pal? Rashford. Omishan! That don't look shit like Omishan. Who the fuck is that? Chat, do y'all see him? That don't look shit like Omishan. That is fucking Donquavius Tyrone II Jr. That ain't fucking Omishan. Omishan, Omishan, Zadidaru. No way. Chat, bro, who keeps spending my fucking money, bro? Chat, stop using my money on my card, bro. I told y'all stop using my money on the card, bro. Who keep using my card money, bro? That ass, bro. You just sold Ronaldo again. No, I didn't. Stop trolling. Ronaldo's not black. So chat, Ronaldo's black now. So Ronaldo changed his last name to Omishan. So now Ronaldo's from Italy. So now Ronaldo plays for Napoli, motherfucker. Goofy ass, bro. Shut up, bro. Damn. Germany. CDM. Kimmich, bro. I'm fucking playing Kimmy again, bro. I'm sick of this fucking ball. Bro, this is the same. This is actually the same pack I just pulled, bro. They're literally giving me the same fucking packs, bro. What the hell? I literally just pulled Omishan. I literally just got the same packs twice in a row, bro. This is insane, bro. Like, I'm not even trolling, bro. On God, this is a true stream, bro. I just literally pulled the same people twice in a row, bro. On my life. It's gold, bro. I keep pulling this Kobu, bro. Like, Kobu. Fucking Kobu once again, bro. Irene. Pop. Oh my God, bro. This is annoying. Like, I poured Ronaldo 2 times, so Ronaldo. I did not sell. I'm not selling Ronaldo. Damn, shut up. Robert Lewandowski. He's from Polish. Gita Dika. Chad, these are good packs, but I'm already pulling these people already, bro. Fuck, bro. Shit's annoying. Yo, that Estonia girl just added me back on Snapchat. That's funny. That's crazy how it took her 2 hours. I mean, a whole hour just to. Oh, Ronaldo. Everybody spell Messi better? No. Fuck up, bro.
My fifth time pulling her, bro. This is my fifth time. This is my fifth time pulling her. I keep pulling her. It's Hamburger Girl, bro. That's my fifth time pulling her. Fifth fucking time. Chat, does she want me, y'all? Chat, does she want me? America. Oh, say, can you sing? Ooh, damn, by the dawn. Dick. I just put somebody's name fucking Dick. Just put somebody's name goddamn Dick, bro. Yo, Moss, Tom, everybody out who says Messi better. Get them on my chat. Whoever says Messi better, y'all getting timed out, bro. Moss, time out everybody who says Messi better, bro. I'm not doing this shit today. Moss, time out everybody who says Messi better. We're not, bro. Nobody in this chat is Messi fans. Stop fucking spamming Messi better in my chat, bro. I don't give a fuck who you are, bro. I don't care who you are. I don't care what you do, bro. You're not spamming Messi in my fucking stream, bro. Period, point blank. Period, point blank, period. The fuck, bro? And that's on Ronaldo, bro. You not about to disrespect Ronaldo in my stream. And that's on. Stop fucking spamming Messi better. Check clips. Check, did I actually sell them again, bro? No, I did not, bro. Damn, bro. Ronaldo better. There we go. There we go. Who has the most goals this year in 2023? Yup, you damn right. God bless America. That's Ronaldo, goddammit. Ronaldo has the most goals this year in 2023. Nobody is stopping him. How much Messi goals got in 2023? I don't know. I don't know, chat. I don't know. How much goals does Messi have this year? I don't know. Can you look it up? Search it up? I don't know. I won't even do that if I search it up. Fuck out of here, man. Fuck out of here. Get out of here, bro. Get out of here, kid. You're a nuisance. Bro, why does he keep doing that, bro? Every time I'm trying to open up this pack, bro. Bro, there's no such thing as a camel league, bro. The fuck do you mean a camel league? What the fuck is a camel league? The fuck? Okay, and Messi's in a fucking McDonald's league, Burger King league, Wendy's league. The fuck? Messi's in fucking goddamn fucking Burgers league. The hell, jackass? Messi's very fucking cool. Messi's in goddamn, yeah, like, bro, what? How many World Cup does Ronaldo have? I hate when shit pisses me off when people ask me that fucking question, bro. Like, shut your little dumb ass up, bro. You're not fucking nobody. Fuck. Annoying ass piece of shit. Shut the fuck up, bro. Comments like that piss me off. And how many World Cups does Ronaldo have? Little piece of shit. Shut the fuck up, jackass. Please shut up and stop talking, bro. How many World Cups does Ronaldo? Luka! Modric! Belly! Oh, I thought it was Bellingham, bro. How many balling? My chat is pissing me off, bro. My chat is pissing me off, dog. My chat is pissing me off, bro. Y'all, bro, chat, y'all pissing me off, bro. I'm letting y'all know right now. Y'all getting on my nerves, bro. I'm saying it right now. Y'all are getting on my nerves. Here we go, Ronaldo. Y'all are starting to get on my nerves, boys. Y'all are starting to open 175K packs. They're tradable, bro. But these packs are fire, though. All right, I will open up the 175K packs, though. Da G ta ti ka da the C ta 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 ka G. There's no 175K pack, bro. What dummy? Oh, you mean these packs? Oops, no, I just used my fucking. Oh my God, speed on fucking speed. Girly, ooh, her name Girly. Her name Girly. She a girly girl. And look at Marjorie. He said, "Get out the way, woman. You're in my fucking way." Yeah. Ronaldo's special card is in the back of the. What, bro? What are you talking about? Oh, you're right. Yeah, these are tradable. What color? They might be fire, but you're. I'm not quick selling them, dude. Shut up. You keep saying quick selling. I'm not quick selling them. CVF. Yup. Cool. What does that mean when your balls itches, y'all? Right now, my balls itches a little bit, not a lot though. Like, just a hairy. I don't know. Like, what does that mean? Hairy. What does that mean? Sweden, LB, Borsa. Burger Kill! Burger Kill! Burger Kill! Holy shit! Holy shit! Burger King! Burger King! Oh my God! He's getting saved on my roster, chat. He's getting saved on my team, chat. He's getting saved on my team, chat. Chat, he's getting saved on my team. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oberdorf. He's ass? Bro, your ass. Like, what? Your ass. Chat Flake said give him an hour, y'all. He said give him an hour. And it's been like 30 minutes since he said that. So I'm about to get on 4 like right now. Everybody clap. Everybody clap, y'all. Everybody clap. Everybody give a round of applause for these shitty ass packs, goddammit. Everybody give a round of a fuck. Alright, I'm only spending $200 left more, y'all. And if I'm pulling out of these pack GDs, I'm only gonna spend $200 more, y'all. Give a round of applause for these trash ass packs. God bless America. Give a round of applause for these trash ass packs. I'm not clapping. I'm not gay. How is clapping gay? Like, y'all, bro, y'all find anything gay? How is clapping gay? Like, bro, y'all are like such like emasculinity, whatever the fuck that word is. Y'all like, bro, y'all so emasculine, masculine. This dude said I'm not clapping, I'm not gay. How does clapping make you gay? Tony Cruz, Tony Cruz on the mic, Tony Cruz. Mano, sai do celular, vai viver. I'm the one who started the IShowspeed merch website and and you're about to get sued, Reezy Peasy. So I'm glad you said that. See, look, now I'm gonna contact your YouTube channel, find your IP, and you're out of here, buddy. Get the fuck out of here. Bye-bye. Adios, amigo. Varsley, happy birthday, my boy. Get out of here, my boy. Yes, Speed, how are you doing today? How Uh-oh. Oh. Sharky! Sharky! He from Albania. Shout out to Albania. Sharky! Albania. Delta falling, delta too far, delta too far. Habibi, delta falling, delta too far. Ever sister, Habibi. The Habibi. Speed, what PC do you have? My PC isn't good enough to stream, and I'm thinking of upgrade. To be honest, I don't think some of y'all will be able to purchase this. It's like this PC is kind of overpriced. It's $40.90. It's like all the specs, Ray Marez. All the specs are very good. Boy, why does Ray Marez look like high? Like he busted a nut in his picture. Y'all. Junior Live? Junior Live? Where's Junior Live at? Junior Live where? He live on Instagram? Junior Live? Where's he live at? Damn, she bad. Where? Not anymore? He ended his live? Why do y'all tell me when he was live? Why do y'all tell me he was live? Damn. Why didn't Junior, bro, chat, why didn't y'all tell me he was live? 20 minutes. Chat, is flight ready? Hold on, wait, y'all. Okay, y'all, because y'all, everybody keeps saying flight ready, bro. Is he ready? Like, bro, he's literally reacting to football right now, bro. Like, bro, like, what are y'all talking about, bro? Y'all just be spamming shit just to be spamming. Stop playing FIFA? Yeah, I'm about to get off. I'm about to get off FIFA. I'm about to get off. I'm about to get off. That are falling, that are tears down. All right, y'all. I'm gonna get off FIFA, y'all. This is my last pack, y'all. Spam up last pack in the chat. Spam up last pack in the chat. Let's see if we pull something good, y'all. Come on. Open 400K pack. I already opened up that pack, bro. Manda, yes. Chat, what if last pack is Cristiano Ronaldo? Like a full, like, oh shit. Get the most expensive pack. Yeah, I am. If you read this, you're gay. What's up with my FIFA, bro? What the hell? Hola, FIFA! Wake up! It's time for school. Check Gatorade, water, or prom, y'all. Which one should I drink right now? Gatorade, water, or prom? Hurry up, hurry. Gatorade, prom, or pop? Which one should I drink? Gatorade, prom, or pop? Which one? Which one should I drink right now? Gatorade, water, or prom? Water. Water's natural. Water, prom, water. You shook hands. Smell. Water. All right, chat. Last pack. Let's go. Water. Okay. All right, let's open up the last pack. Let's open up the most expensive pack. I think I opened up all the most expensive packs, y'all. That leads to global limit. Let's go. Last pack. Bumblica. Yeah, this pack trash, bro. I'm out. I'll be right back. Talk about it.